Hello, everybody. We start off with divine guidance from our archangels. They want us to know that there's cycles in our lives that are coming to an end. Some of them even involve the law. We needed to defend ourselves. Things came in fast, and we had to do what we had to do. But in the future or now, we have the emperor who says stability and efficiency, taking charge of the situation. We're finding balance in with our monies. We did get advice from a friend where the situations were unsuccessful, but there's other abundance coming our way, which is going to be good for us. Um, we developed deep friendships with people that made us feel at peace. We got new creative ideas, ventures, and fresh starts in our life. And this brought a change for the better for us. We're going to carry on trusting our higher selves, our deeper inner things, and increase our material wealth and spiritual growth. There's also love in the air and definite improvements coming our way. Um, we taking a step backwards with a relationship with an older man that's got white hair or blonde hair, and he's actually a very stubborn, unwilling to change type of person, and we're carrying on with our own passions, and that will lead us to better things to come. We laying solid foundations, and we're open to possibilities for ourselves, and this will bring us freedom. We're reclaiming our power and detaching from negative energies that come our way. We're keeping balance in our relationships and marriages and friendships, and we're using our minds wisely, and we are being ourselves. We're singing our own song now. We're also nurturing our friendships and relationships to find balance and peace and harmony. Our loved ones want us to know. Let's just get a card from our loved ones. Yes. Cleanse your energy. When you release negativity, the answer to the question shines through. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Love you all.